In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to save and reuse your effects in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, I just did a very simple effect over here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Effects tab, and as you can see, it's very simple, but I'm going to select all of it, right-click, and then Settings, Save As. Now, as you can see, it saves over here in Fusion and Settings. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into Fusion. I'm going to create a folder called, let's just say this one is called Subscribe, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm just going to do Sub. Now, you're going to save it just like that. And then once you exit out of there, you can go into your effects